Deer Feeder Motor Timer Kit. Small size feeder kit for DIY feeding. Adjust bale mounting arms to fit most feeder buckets. Digital feeder timer. Easy screw by hand. Power by 4Ah battery, not included. Set up for 8 feed times per day. (1 to 30 seconds feeding duration. Low, medium and high adiastable motor speed. A quick solar panel port. Before mounting, the recommended bucket drop hole size is about 2¼ inch. Step 1. Ensure that the spinner plate is directly under the drop hole. Step 2. Adjust the mounting arms according to the size of the bucket. Step 3. Mark and drill 3 8mm mounting holes. Step 4. Securely mount the feeder using the included screws, nuts, washers. Set up and test the feeder timer. Set up the time, feed duration and the feed speed from feed 1 to feed 8 according your feeding plan. Press the test button to make sure the timer run as programmed. Connect to your solar panel as needed. Not included.